Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do this switchback line. So it is pretty simple and easy. What you'll need to do is some grabs, kick flips, or flip tricks, and that's pretty much it. Just collect the bearings and do the tricks. So the system of this mission is pretty easy. Just don't get off your board, do some tricks and get the score. So let's try to do this so you guys know how to do this mission. So as I said, it's not that hard to do. Just do a couple grabs. Okay, and I fell right here. So I'll show you how you can do the grabs. I showed how you can do flip tricks. So grabs, holding your triggers. It's not that hard to do. So just find the ramp and do the grabs. As you can see, we did some grabs right here. And now what you'll need to do is go right here and just take this bearing. So that's pretty much it. That's how you do this line. Thank you guys and see you in the next one.